In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can share car livery here in Forza Horizon 6. This is going to allow you to share designs here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and open up your cars menu. So go into like any garage or the Horizon Festival site, open up the cars menu and go specifically to, in this menu, the design tab on here. This is going to be that designs and paints menu. Go ahead and open that up, hit OK, and then of course from here you can paint your car and you can really paint it really any color, and this goes from everything and you can customize this a lot. For example, I could go ahead and change this car right here, maybe make it, yellow, which looks pretty clean as well. But essentially, go ahead and make whatever design it is that you want. Once you go ahead and customize the design, and there is a ton of stuff that you can do on here, and I literally mean a ton of stuff. What you need to do is essentially just go ahead and back out. It'll prompt you to save it. And then of course, what you need to do is hit share on it. Of course, it does have to be custom in order for you to do this. Make sure to set tags so that people can actually find it, but that's going to be the full process right here. It really is that simple. You can also go in here and open up find new designs, and you could see all these other people's designs as well, which is pretty cool. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.